I'm here with Leslie Wilkins, the President and CEO of the Maui Economic Development Board, and I am so excited to talk about everything that you've done here in Maui. First of all, thank you so much for having us.
Well, thank you for coming to Maui. Welcome to the Maui Research and Tech Park, a part of the greater Lipoa community, which is growing and building jobs and housing. So we're really excited to help grow our economy.
I can tell just by the amount of businesses that are in this area that it's truly something that is booming. But for anyone that doesn't know what MEDB does, can you explain?
I'm happy to. So we are a 501c3 nonprofit. I'm honored to work with 36 other colleagues, and we're spread out across the state. This is our home, of course, here. And we are all about building business opportunities for our local community to help diversify our economy. We're also known for STEM works. We're also building the next generation of critical thinkers and STEM experts in our STEM works programs. We like to say we build from keiki to careers. And then, of course, it's really important to engage our community in economic development, to make sure that our community voices are at the table as we look at advancing Maui's and Maui Nui's future.
That's incredible. Now, I want to talk about the Hawaii Technology Development Corporation. I know that they have been a big streamline into helping you grow and support a lot of the local businesses you work with. Can you talk about your partnership?
I would love to, and a big mahalo to HDC. We've worked with them for years, but last year we were so honored to receive a grant, their Business Accelerator and Training Grant. It was our first time getting that, and it allowed us to open our MEDB Business Space Program, which is an acronym. Let me see if I can do this. Support Programs for Aerospace and Commercial Entrepreneurs. We know that there's a lot of opportunity in the space economy. It's bringing a lot of money and needs for data and looking at tracking, because there's so much activity, commercial activity, Starlink satellites going up, as well as, of course, defense. So there are opportunities for small businesses to create sensors and algorithms and software to really help keep space safe, keep knowing where everything is so we don't have collisions and horrible incidences. So we know our small businesses have some solutions, and we want to make sure that they have the ability to have their innovations tested and evaluated, as well as teaching them the fiscal infrastructure they need, the financial tools they need to be compliant, to get some of the federal money that is coming into our state. And so that's what we've been doing, is accelerating our small businesses, and boy, have they been successful.
Yeah, that is so impressive, and I think you really answered the question about how you are contributing to building overall Hawaii's economy. Now, I know a little bit later we're going to be talking to two of the members of the first cohort
Absolutely.
of the program that you talked about, but can you just talk about, who is eligible for this cohort? I know you just got more funding,
Yes.
So what's in the future for MEDB?
Again, thank you again to HDC. We just won our second round of funding. So any Hawaii-based small business, they must be in Hawaii, not necessarily Maui Nui. A lot of our program training is delivered virtually. So they have to be in Hawaii, and they have to be a technical-based business, not necessarily exactly space. Space has wide-ranging opportunities, so that's what we would like to do. And HDC has given us such latitude to help really directly invest in companies and give them customized training, meet businesses where they are to really help them grow, help them maybe team with a bigger business, help them get their intellectual property, the protections they need for that, and open up windows into all kinds of possibilities of funding.
Oh, Leslie, that's incredible. Now, if anyone who's a business owner is listening or they want to get more information, where should they go?
They should go to our website, medb.org. We'll be accepting invitations right now for our third cohort. So please check us out. because we want to be there to help grow our businesses. And we also can help provide some STEM talent. We're putting interns this summer with our round 1 and round 2 cohorts, and they're hiring. So that's exactly the return on investment we want to give HDC and our state funding, to see that companies are staying here, they're hiring locals, and they are also expanding opportunities for our interns.
All right, well, you heard it right here. Make sure to go to their website because they've got tons of opportunities for applicants and anyone looking for future funding and opportunities.
Thank you.
Thank you.